take a few minutes to back to the dog. Oh, look at that. What is that animal in the front? What is that? It's an elephant. Yes, it's the mother and the baby elephant. It seems that the mother is teaching everyone's house to use his truck. Oh, they're so cute. Stop stories starting from tonight. Oh, there's another uppercut. It's the baby elephant's father and he's aiming for us. Oh no, we have to go away now. He's coming again with the dance. The elephant focus of the main river. I've never been this way before. I guess we're entering the temple. Look at those giant spiders. You know that they can jump over 20 feet away. But don't worry, we are only 10 feet away, so if they jump, they may jump right over us. Up ahead is the ancient temple of Ganesha, the elephant god, and it's protected by the cane cobra. The cane cobra is among the world's largest poisonous snake, and actually if you see, they want to bite you, and they can. So does anyone want to turn back? Anyone want to back to the dog now? No? Okay, then. And he called us lunch, dinner, and breakfast. So be careful, I don't want to give you a lunch later. Hi, friend. Professor Paul has several cameras up there, and I think there are some unexpected company. Does anyone dare yellow pro today? Yes, he's walking. I don't want to be the oh, they should have just found the rebel away now. Otherwise, we make big time and go back to the store. And then, well, there's all kinds of animals. Can anyone tell me what can you find? Yes, it's a zebra. And what is that behind? It's a long leg. What is that? Yes, that's those mice, the giraffe. And this is the number 2 most feared animal in the jungle, the African elephant. And the number 1 most feared animal in the jungle, his mother-in-law. And we are now entering the pool of nature. Oh, you are all so brave. Just the last group I had in my boat. They jump to the river when they see the hippos. And there they are now. So I totally think that they for reason. Oh, can you see those stones? It's the head sign language. And be careful, they can smell fear. Those passengers I'm talking about is right this band. And listen, I think they have seen us and letting us go, so they have to be quiet. Shh. Oh, get down, they have seen us. It's very dangerous. I hope you stand and protect your head against us. Oh, is everyone okay? It's very scary, right? Is your head still here? Okay. And does anyone get hurt by become the dinner for the crocodile from my boss tonight. Oh, can you hear some sound? Let me see. What is that? What is waiting for us? It's the baby elephant and he's bring package. Let's say hi to him. Hello, I got photo with him. And if you're pushing a dog now, so keeping your hands and next inside the bowl. Hello, please. Turn around and sit properly. Sit down, please, and don't touch here. Hello, putting your arm inside the bowl. Yes, turn around, sit properly. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Yes, no, let me wait a few more seconds so we get back to the door. So do you guys enjoy the trip? Do you enjoy this trip? If yes, remember my name is Emily, and if you don't, just remember my name as Tiffany. So my pineapples you can left by the front door or the back door, and remember, do not step on my railing. Otherwise, I will send you back to the jungle and become the gorilla for the rest of your life, any banana, anytime, anywhere. And now give me a few seconds to cut my